So I posted my view on Bitcoin recently, and here is an update, guys. Currently, Bitcoin is moving up, just as analyzed and as um, anticipated, right? So, what's next for BTC? I said there is another block here on the weekly time frame. If you look at it, this so I expect Bitcoin to go back to hit before the massive sell if that should hold. So we are not for certain yet. We are not really 100% sure because it's a probability game here. But what we expect around here is candlestick reaction and chart patterns that tells us that it's reacting to the left neck line for it to fall massively, and you can see this sell zone that I've put here just in case market reach there. I know that I have a pending order. I don't set it already, so I don't think Bitcoin will just keep skyrocketing all the way from here. I think there will be a pullback, and personally, I'm not into this buy yet because uh it's looking risky and I didn't enter it, right? Even though I analyzed it and I knew that it was going up, right? So what I do is I expect a correction because after this first move, and I think this is like the Fibonacci pullback. Let's see. Okay, this is almost the optimum trade entry level. Price is almost there, but it didn't enter it. Um, I didn't look it that way though. I didn't look it that way, but I am expecting that price comes down again. If price should come and give me 87,000 again, that will be very palatable. I'll be buying up the market from there, right? Otherwise, I'll be expecting reaction here, and there is multi-asset analysis which I'm using as well because in case I miss out on BTC totally, that is the advantage of forex. You can go to any other instrument that is trading alike or that a complement it, or how do I put it, another trading instrument that is correlated to any instrument you are trading on. You could as well probably find a signal which on Ethereum I'm expecting the same thing. Look at my markups here too. So it's very obvious on Ethereum. In fact, the Ethereum chart was what convinced me more that BTC is gonna move up. Even after I saw the other block on BTC. Around same level, there's another other block here on Ethereum. Look at it, guys. Look at Ethereum. So look at the other block, and there are reactions, supply levels one, two, three, and if it is gonna rain, man, market has to come here, and I see reaction on the daily time frame or the weekly, and then we expect a massive drop to like 2000, to like 2000. So for now, we are looking at the buy, and then what I want to see right now, the market is moving up already, and that's why you should not FOMO as a trader. I had these markups here, and I still didn't enter because it feels risky. So I almost bite myself, but then as a professional trader, you have to look for, okay, I missed out on this. Where are the um, possible entries again? So looking at the 4 hours here, this is more like top-down analysis. And then I see that, okay, on the 4 hours, price didn't touch here, right? But it almost did, but I put my zone there. Right? I want to see reaction around there and being reacted to here, 3000 level, right? I'm talking about 3000 level. And then while moving up, there is a reaction, but that is not even what I'm looking for. Look at it way below here. There is a swing low. Swing low is a low that has an higher low to the left of it, and to the right of it also. So that's ICT for you. I don't know. Okay, so there is a low here, and I'm expecting this to be my optimum trade entry. So this has happened. Let's see how from year to year, and this is a very valid optimum trade entry. I didn't take it. I think I woke up when the price was around here because this happens overnight, and I didn't set limit here because I didn't know prices. So, if I'd been live or on charts when this happened, I would have taken it as soon as I saw this candlestick from around here, I would have bought around here. So now that I missed this because price was already here, and I'm like, okay, what is going to happen? Will it fall more or will it go up? I was contemplating around here, and then in next 3 4 hours, boom. I'm like, okay, we've missed this. So I'm just waiting for the next level where the markets will touch now and go up. If you look at your chart on the 1 hour, I don't want to zoom in too much. Okay, let me just do it. I don't want this to be long, to be too long. Right. The 1 hour time frame. Let me remove this Fibonacci here. Fibonacci removed, and look at it on the 1 hour time frame. This low to this side, and then I'm expecting it to come here to form another low. So there is a demand zone here, a demand zone here, and I'm expecting the market to fall all the way down and tag me here. Some people will say, is it possible market has moved all the way up here and you are expecting it to come to this level, from 3,236 to 29? How? Like the market has already moved, blah, blah, blah. Uh, in this market, there's always premium and discounts. That's what you should know, right? The market will always give discounts. More in more cases, that if it wants to go up, it will give discount. If we want to come down, it will give premium level. It happens here. Market move all the way down from down here to up here, and then drop all the way. And by the time it's dropping here, a lot of people would have been, this one cannot buy again. As a beginner, you expect that, okay, this is a downtrend that is still in action. But using the higher time frame formation, I realized that, okay, this is actually a turning point in the market. So I'm expecting that it comes all the way here, right, to the 2,900 level, and my stop loss would be the recent low, which is the 2,715, or let's say 2,700 ish. And that would be a wrap for BTC and Ethereum analysis, guys. What do you think about this? Are you considering trading any cryptocurrency right now? Let me know.